So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to format text as a title font here on the Apple Notes application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Notes app once that is done. So here inside of the Notes app, just for example, you can sort of format text a bunch of different ways. You can use, title font, heading font, subheading font, etc. So if you wanted to make a clear-cut title, for instance, I'll just type in the word title right here, title font. It is just regular font, nothing crazy. Now, if you wanted to edit this into title font, so making it a lot larger, what I can actually do is double tap on what you want to do, then go to the capital A and the lowercase a right here to open up these options where it says title right here under format. Press on title, then all of a sudden the font is title font, just like that. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to format text as title font here on the Apple Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.